Fix in 5. P0540. Intake air heater A circuit. Electrical circuit malfunction in diesel E. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Engine difficult to start in cold conditions, rough idle after cold start, reduced fuel efficiency, check engine light illumination, delayed engine cranking response. Now the most likely causes. Defective intake air heater element, faulty heater relay or control module, wiring harness damage or corrosion, poor electrical connections in heater circuit, engine control module, ECM, malfunction. How to fix it? Replace intake air heater element. Replace heater control relay. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Clean corroded connectors and apply dielectric grease. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €40 to €150 doing it yourself, or €160 to €270 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0540 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0540 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0540. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.